Hey you guys, welcome back to another tutorial. So this is a classic ombre set that I am working on today. So my client here wanted a medium, just straight square ombre set. I'm using pink and white. So what I'm doing now, I'm just starting with the white acrylic. I'm using a medium bead and I'm applying that to the middle of her nail bed, and I'm slowly working that acrylic down. The key to having a really nice shape when doing nails is making sure you keep the nail shape the whole way through as you're applying the acrylic. So you'll see that I'm always consistently patting the sides and making sure that I'm still keeping that nice square shape. That also helps so that we don't have to do too much filing in the end. So I'm going to continue to do that, and then we're going to move on to the pink. Alright you guys, so now we're moving on to the pink, and I'm using a mixture of acrylics that I mixed. The two main bases are, what's his name? Oh my goodness, I'm having such a brain fart. Valentino acrylic. I'm using nude pink and soft white as well. Just a mixture of different pinks that I wanted. So I'm using that, and what I'm doing is applying that to the base of the nail and slowly fading that into the white, so we have a really nice transition. I don't want to bring the pink down too much because I don't want to cover up too much of the white. So I'm going to make sure that I try to control my bead. So I'm applying the first bead, as you can see, right at the base of the white so that we can mask that smile line that we have right there. And then I'm going to go over and apply more acrylic and cap it at the cuticles and slowly fade that down. So we're going to do that all the way through and then come back and cap it with clear. Alright you guys, so we're back. So now what we're doing is I'm just taking some clear acrylic, and I use Young Nails acrylic powder and monomer. So I'm just taking a small medium bead and I'm placing that in the middle of the apex area so that I can build that apex area. But also the reason why we cap the nail is so that when we go in and do the filing, we don't take away that effect of the ombre that we work so hard to blend. So that's why we are capping in clear. Alright you guys, we are back. So now I am taking a 100 by 180 grid file and I'm just cleaning up that shape. As you can see, because we kept the shape the whole way through, we don't have much to file. So I'm just sharpening up and making sure those lines are crisp and making sure that her sides are even and straight and nothing is slanted. So I'm going to start with this, then I'm going to go in and take my drill bit and go in and finally sand down any of the lumps and make sure everything is flush and really, really nice. And then go in with my purple buffer just to smooth everything out. And there you guys have it. This is the final product. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please make sure you thumbs up and like this video so that I know you guys enjoyed this. Till next time, see you guys soon. Bye.